Hello friends, in this video I want to show us the reason why you've not been making money or you've been losing your hard-earned money on JLJ platform. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to our channel as a way of supporting what I do here. On this channel, I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and other opportunities you can make money online. Without further ado, let's go straight into it. So I've made a series of videos about JLJ platform. I would like you to check them out if you've not. I've talked about how you can best make money on this platform, how to use the transaction, how to trade with the hash, how to do the staking on the minings and withdrawals, deposits, all of that. So do well to check them out if you've not. And in this video, I want to show us one major reason you're not making money. It can also be a way to level up your game and give a more precise predictions here. This is particularly for those trading on transactions. As you can see on my screen, at the right corner is trading view, where I have my BTC/USDT chart, and at the left side is JLJ platform logged in. So I partitioned my screen so I can use both charts to give my indications. Well, this is one of the strategies I always use. I think I explained better on my previous video about JLJ. So here I have the Bitcoin 1 minute chart on transaction. How the transaction works is that the last 3 digits, those after the decimal point inclusive, are calculated together to give you a number. This number can either be seen as a big or a small. All right. Now, what are the chances of you getting wins here? Bitcoin at 3 minutes or 1 minute is very volatile. In fact, there is a very slim chance for you to get a good prediction here, because the more volatile a cryptocurrency is, the more difficult it becomes to predict whether the number is going to be big or small. The number after decimal points can close with 9 or 8 or 5, 6, 3, any amount at all. Without having much analysis for this, it is going to be difficult for you to give a precise prediction. And this is why when you are trading Bitcoin or Ethereum here, you are likely going to lose your money because of the volatility, especially if there is volatility in the market. So you have to check out for that. So what do I recommend here? You don't trade Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can see that we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, YFI, and BCH. Right, so we're going to start with the BCH. When you click on the BCH, I'm going to make sure I change the crypto pair on my trading view to BCH so that I have the same chart here. And of course, it should be 1 minute for both. Right, so here we are on the BCH chart for trading view and the JLJ platform. The BCH crypto pair is really less volatile, and this would help us in the price prediction because we will likely see what is going to close with after 1 minute. Okay, so we're just going to monitor what is going to happen in the next 1 minute, and when it counts down, you see right now we are on small. If you want to count what we have on BCH right now, you see that it is $121.30. Okay, if you say 1 plus 3 plus 0, you're going to have a small. As a matter of fact, we are going to be having small because as long as we are trading within $121.3, it is small. Remember, for you to have a big, the number will have to cross 14 above to give us a big. Now, if you add 1 plus 3 plus 0, it is very simple to give a price prediction as we monitor the price. Okay, so we wait for it to calm down, and when it counts, let's see what it gives us next. Okay, we got 1 plus 3 plus 0, that is 4. Of course, that is small. So let's wait for what will come up next. Just give it some time as we monitor what happens on our trading view chart. So when it counts down, we got 7, which is a small. Actually, the number calculated together here is 0 plus 7 plus 0. If you look at the price at the moment, you would understand that we never got a 7. We are still trading within 121.4. So it is supposed to be 1 plus 4 plus 0. Meanwhile, we got 0 plus 7 plus 0, which is small, though not what it is supposed to be. So what am I trying to say? One reason you shouldn't be trading transaction is because there is no assurance that your predictions will play out the way you've predicted it. I so much believe there are some alteration in trading this particular lottery because it doesn't give what is on the charts, and I think this is a manipulation. Let's go further to wait for what will come up next. If you are here, you would want to check what the current rate is for BCH, and after counting down, we got 2 plus 3 plus 0. Again, when you check what we have at the current rates, we are still trading within 121.20. So it is supposed to give us 1 plus 2 plus 0, which is 3. In as much as it is small and what we have here is small, the calculations are not correct. We are having 2 plus 3 plus 0. This is one of the reasons you lose your trade on transactions. The volatility for BTC and Ethereum would make you not get a precise prediction. And if you want to trade the less volatile ones, you might end up not getting exactly what the price action is because of the manipulation which I think is going on this platform. Okay, so you would want to be careful. In as much as all these things are playing out, I still strongly recommend that trade the cryptocurrency that is really less volatile, like the BCH and the YFI. If you continue trading small on the BCH transaction, you would definitely get more wins because as long as it is trading within 121, what we are expected to get here is 1 plus whatever is coming after the decimal point. All right. Let's go to the history here. You see, we've gotten so much small. Well, this is supposed to play out for as long as we are within this region. Okay, but here we just got another big, and the calculations here is 9 plus 1 plus 8, which is 18. Of course, this is definitely not possible. There is no way we would have 9 plus 1 plus 8 in the current BCH rate. So where did this come from? All right, exactly the reason why I mentioned that there is a manipulation somewhere. So let's change this to YFI to check its volatility as well. Do same for the trading view. 1 minute for both, and you would see that YFI is really less volatile as well, and as such it will be easy for you to give a price prediction after 1 minute or whichever minute you're going to be trading with. So let's see what happens. Here we have 8,330.00. It is expected that what should come up after 1 minute is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, we got 0 plus 0 plus 0. This came out well, and of course we got a small. Next, we'll have to monitor the price action and see what plays out after it. So what we got here is 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is 1, and of course it's small. If you check the current rate for YFI, you will see that it is supposed to give us a count of 8 plus 0 plus 0, but we got 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is not accurate. And my question still remains, how do we get these figures and how is this calculated if what we were told is the last 3 digits with decimal points inclusive are to be calculated? Why is it not being calculated as it is shown on the current rate? So with this, it is very difficult for you to give a precise prediction as long as it continues to fluctuate. All right, the next one here we got 8 plus 0 plus 0, which I think is the right price at the moment. So we've got 3 small. Averagely, if you continue to trade small on this less volatile token for the transaction, you stand a higher chance of winning than when you trade BTC or Ethereum. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more profiting videos like this.